Welcome from my windowless back room to you at Parent Night. I'm so sorry I wasn't able to make it tonight, but I'm hoping this video will show you the bare basics of what you need to know. So, hello, I'm Miss Snowman. I've been teaching physics for about 25 years, the last 20 or so here at Ithaca High School. I have in the past taught honors physics, conceptual physics, food science, and this is my first year teaching the TC3 co-enrollment course, but I feel prepared and excited to try this new class. All right. My general philosophy of teaching is to inspire kids to learn about the world around them, to make physics as hands-on and inspirational and understandable as possible. So we do lots of demos, lots of hands-on activities, yeah, so let me tell you about the course a little bit. So this is my home page on Canvas. It's not the prettiest thing, but it'll get you exactly where you need to go. All right. If your son or daughter misses a day, the best place to start is at the current agenda, right? Which is linked right here. Okay. And let's just take a look. And then you're going to scroll down to the right page, right? And don't go beyond this stop. These are like slides that I'm tweaking from other years, okay? But let's look at this page that we did today. All right, so if you look, you can see that every day there's a kind of a warm-up activity that I call the Do Now. And then there's an agenda that tells it basically what we're going to do. If there's a lab period, there will be a lab agenda. And then the homework will be listed as well. Okay, and you can see on here a lot of these blue things are links, and that's because if somebody missed class or they want to go back and see some of the handouts or the videos that we used in class, we can look right there. So everything that we do that day should be on this page, and often a lot of it is repeated on the Canvas website as well. Okay. Let's talk about let's go back to this and let's talk about the syllabus for this class. All right. So the syllabus for all of the TC3 General Physics 104 classes is very similar. And that's because that course can be used for credit across the state at any SUNY school or community college in New York State. All right. And other places may accept it as well. All right. So let's take a look at that course syllabus. All right. So this is a co-enrollment course. Now, we haven't filled out any of the paperwork for this yet because this is a 4-credit, 1-semester course, but we're taking the whole year to do it so that we can really dive in depth and give your high school student the added support they need to do a college level course. Okay. So if you scroll down, we've got the course description. And we will be, and this is the course content. So we started out the year with some introductory stuff, and then we've gotten into graphing motion, and we are in the heart of kinematics and free fall and getting ready to learn about a little two-dimensional motion starting in the next week or two. Okay. We have quizzes every week or two, and then there will be tests, big tests like several times a year. And then there will be a midterm exam that is cumulative up to that point, and a final exam that is cumulative for the entire year. Okay, the grading stuff is right here. You can take a look at how that is done. All right. And yeah, just as I'm looking forward to teaching this, I'm looking forward to kind of bringing the knowledge I have from the other courses into this TC3 co-enrollment class. And you're going to be learning more about the connection between TC3 and this course as the year goes on. I'm enjoying teaching your students. They cheer me up every day. And if you need to get a hold of me and get in contact with me, the best way is by email. My email's right here. It's also on the front of the page. Have a wonderful night and have a wonderful weekend.